Hi, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, or should I say good morning? I think it's Wednesday. Anyway, yeah. I had a project share the other day where I shared my Stack the Deck file folder right here, and it's 2 videos back. It's so cute. I love it. Anyway, it's fixing to go in the mail, but someone asked, and I got to put this back in about the snippet uh, bookmark. It's so easy, guys. It was one piece of lace, and then I just put snippets of stuff that you would normally throw away. So a snippet bookmark. When you go to Hobby Lobby, and these are regularly $4.99, but we all pay half price. This one is the cream color, and then this one is the white. So all I did was measure, I don't know if you can see the 2 different colors there, I think you can. All I did was measure what this was in size, and that's what size I knew I needed. So I would measure what book you're interested in and then make it. So, yeah, so let's make one real fast. Charlie is happy to be out and about and playing. So this one's cream, so let's make a white one. So let's straighten this up, and that right there is a snippet, so it goes in my snippet bucket with all my stuff. This is my second bucket. I have 2 of them, so I'll be pulling out of that. And guess what, guys, if you don't have a snippet bucket, then take 5 snips off of whatever roll you have of material, of trim, and create it. It doesn't have to be just stuff that you have waiting to be used. So let me cut this one about the same size. That was a good size. And we'll measure real quick. I'm just eyeballing. I think this one might be a little smaller. Let me see what size it is. It is 8 3/4. It could be 8, it could be 9. So now let me make sure I'm using the right side too. And it's hard to tell. So if it's hard to tell, that's a good thing. Shiny side. There we go. All right. Charlie is not turned on, so I'm going to get my stuff ready that I want to lay on it. See, like I have a little flower right here, so I'm going to trim the netting from around the flower so early that you would think, and see the cream really pops on that white. I have the door open. It's a pretty day, so that could go right here. Anything that is less than a yard, I try to save. Let's see if we put a piece at an angle. So let's just cut this one sliver off and lay that right here. I don't like that one end, so I'm going to cut this piece off. I just don't like it. It feels, I don't know. So I'm going to cut that, and I'm going to lay that. I mean, that may even go there or not. So let's just lay everything out that I have. I'm digging in here in this bucket. See, I don't have a lot of this, but these little roses are cute. So let me cut one little rose and cut this part off of this part of the rose. So we'll put this somewhere, like right here. Or it might be like that so that it shows up, but that's upside down. So let's turn it this way. Put it like there. Oh, what else do we have over here? Snip. See, I'm snipping off of less than a yard of pieces, so I'm making my own snips as I go. And this has got some purple in it, which is very unusual for me. This is all I have. So you don't want it too wide, so that's why this is easy. It contains in a small area. We could put that at the top. That would look really good straight across. So let's cut it right here. We're going to put that right there. And I think we need one more something something, or two more something something. Let's just keep, while Charlie's heating up, since I wasn't prepared. Ooh, this is a true snippet of some sort, and it's an applique. So we're moving this up and that up there, putting this applique here. I don't know what's going on outside. Let's see, what else do I have? What other snippets do I have around here? You just can't go wrong, actually, because once you start combining them, it all matches. So I think I don't need any more, but then I did find this. So this looks pretty nice, so let's just trim this around and see where we can put it. Oh, it's got a little bead, so we know it goes that direction. And trim that little piece off that's wanting to bend up. So stick that there, and then maybe this on top. And then we're going to bring this down a little. Just going to bring that down a little. Put that right there. Maybe something like that. Okay. So we have it all laid out, which normally I don't lay it out, but with me not having the hot glue ready, we laid it out first. So that's different. So let's lay that here. And you see this mat? I'm going to leave it stuck to that mat because that way it'll glue. Let me change my setting here. Nope, the other way. There. I'm going to leave it stuck to the mat. That way when I'm ready, I'll just peel it all up, and then I can trim if I don't like it hanging over. So I'm moving it around as we go. So I'm just adding a little bit of glue here. I mean, these are so simple. And you could use a rubber finger. And who is texting me so early in the morning? And let's add that rose. Let's add that rose right here. Let's add this piece. I'm going to glue it to get that wrinkle out. And let's maybe change up the direction just a hair. Put that there and see how it flows and moves. Gives it some move, and it's got a pearl and sequence. And yeah, let's see. I moved that flower down, didn't I? Okay. So you can just add glue to that. Put that there. Add some glue right here and just put it on. Let's take our last piece, put it on some glue. See how it fits. And we'll take this piece since we have it. And it's a shabby vintage Victorian-y type of bookmark. So, okay, there we go. We're done. So now I'm going to lift it up and you'll probably hear it. See, it was stuck on there. And you just rub that off. And then all we have to do is trim this one little piece off. So there you go. There's different colors in it if you are up close. If there's any flyaway glue strings, you just hit it with your heat gun. So this one's got the pink tones in it, and this one's got cream and purple tones in it. I don't know if the color is showing up, but let me just get closer the opposite direction and let you see them. So there you go. There is a very dainty type of bookmark. Hope you liked it. Have a blessed day.